guys, Star here. So if you're a digital marketing agency and you provide social media management services for your clients, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can easily apply Watermark to all of your images for consistent branding across all platforms. I'm also going to show you how you can optimize your images so that you do not have to use third-party tools for editing and cropping. Everything can be done right here in our system. Let's go ahead and get started. On the sub-account level, we're just going to click on marketing on the left-hand side. Once you click on marketing at the top, you're going to see social media planner. That's where we're going to want to be. Go all the way over to the right, you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and select that gear icon. Here, you're going to be able to manage various settings. The first thing we're going to click on is the watermark. Here you have the ability to upload a watermark. Let's go ahead and click the blue button that says Add Watermark. You can go ahead and name your watermark in case you have more than one watermark that you want to use, and then you can simply upload your watermark. Here, I've already uploaded it to my media storage, so I'm going to just double click this image and it will upload. Here you can see that it's placed my watermark right here in the top left corner. Now you do have the ability to manage the alignment of that if I want to move it to the right, perhaps I want to move it to the center, or maybe I want to have it at the bottom. That is an option. You can also play with the opacity if you want it to be darker or if you want it to fade into the image and just be a very light watermark. You can also scale your watermark if you want it to be larger or if you'd like for it to be smaller. Additionally, we have auto padding turned on where you can add some spaces around the logo so that it's not sticking to the edge of your images. So if you uncheck that, you can see that you actually lose the additional padding. So we're going to go ahead and click create. Once you create this, then we'll be able to use this watermark on our images. And we're going to show you how to do that in just a moment. Next, you're going to click on global settings. I want to make sure that you have media optimization toggled on. Go ahead and toggle it on and then save your changes. Now let's head over to our mobile device so we can see how you can quickly upload images so that you can actually optimize the sizing for various platforms and you can add your watermark. I love the High Level app. You can actually schedule social media content for yourself or your clients while on the go. At the top left, you're going to see the hamburger icon. Go ahead and select those 3 lines. Then you'll see Social Planner. Select Social Planner. You'll want to make sure that you have your social media accounts already connected. Then you're going to go ahead and select the blue plus sign, and you're going to select the social media accounts that you want to schedule your content to. I'm going to go ahead and select Facebook and Instagram. I'll then hit create. Now please note at the bottom that you're going to have advanced settings. I want you to check your settings and make sure that you have watermark toggled on and media optimization toggled on. If you don't already have a watermark saved in the system, you will have to upload that before you can turn this setting on. Now that I have that turned on, I'm going to upload my media. So I just want you to go ahead on the bottom left and select media. You can actually take a photo. You can choose from your gallery. You can choose from your files, or you can choose from media storage. I'm going to go ahead and select from our internal media storage. I'll select an image that I would like to upload to social media. I'm going to insert that file. Then you can go ahead and add text. Once you've written your social media post, you're just going to go ahead and post that to social media. You'll have the option to post now, save for later, schedule post, or schedule recurring post. I'm going to go ahead and post now. So you can see that our social media image has been optimized for both social media platforms, and we have our watermark. You can see it here on Instagram as well as on Facebook. So go ahead and start using the social media planner on your mobile device. Use our watermark feature as well as our media optimization feature. This will allow you to be fully branded across all platforms. You don't have to worry about editing, cropping, having your images distorted. You have an easy solution in the palm of your hands.